Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer crypto between wallets inside Binance, step by step, so you can move your funds between your Binance wallet types quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app. Then go to Assets to see your available balances. Now, look for Transfer. This option allows you to move supported assets between different wallets or account types inside Binance. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, you can select USDT. Under From, select the wallet where your crypto is currently located. Next, tap 2 and select the Binance wallet where you want to move your crypto. Make sure you select the correct wallet. Enter the amount you want to move. You can enter a specific amount, or if available, select Max to transfer your available balance. And that's it. And that's how you transfer crypto between wallets inside Binance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.